Good morning na guys. Tungod may leftover kita nga chicken ni mo onto sa fried rice. Limibahaw ko di. So nag-slice na ko gali ng onion. And also onion, garlic pala. This is onion. Hindi na nakabalo kung anong onion kung garlic guys. So this is our little kitchen. Yeah. So I'm going to cook there later. So for now, kiyad anay. Gasol ko lang ginagamit. Sa pulpandan. Sa negros. Kahoy. Buk. Kami sa magluto sa kahoy ay. Inabang ang asuga. Palibot si mo sa balay. Mahal kong kahoy sa amon. Ang gas mahal man, no? We have a like a tank for the gas, so every like 2 months or 3 months, depende sa paggamit, gina-refill ang mga gas tank. Mahal naman siya guys, mahal lang tanan. Mahal lang gas, mahal lang kahoy. Ano nang imuon ta? Hindi na lang ta magluto at hindi na lang kita magkaon. Diba? So, reklamo kita sa mga wala kita mahiya. Iglanan man natin magluto, iglanan natin magkaon, diba? Depende na lang kung paano kita magpipid. So, didre, gakaon ko rice twice a day. Char. Pero may rice cooker pa diya. Ang bana ko ay may gakaon. May masyado rice. Tipid lang yung bana ko. Ako lang yung palakaon. Kita kagasbong tungod miskan wala snow tugnaw, so we're gonna stay at home and do cleaning. Ay tapos ako pang labas, so ano na lang, vacuum. Tapos mga window kayo may vacuum. Umayos ng chicken. Medyo naghapon pa na eh. It looks so dry. So dito hindi man siya sayang. Kinugan. Diba guys? So yeah. Fried rice. Kamusta ka mo dira ya? Especially sa Negros. Pag halong-halong kita tanan. Okay, tungod. There's so much a lot of natural calamities na gatalabo sa earth. So sa may mga part na lugar super tugnaw, sa part ng lugar may sunog, sa part ng lugar may baha. So take good care kita. And of course Of course, ang aton nga health, no? So, it's being safe makita tanan. And please, pray lang gid kita, no? Pray. Sigad lang gid ang aton na saligan. So how are you, Honey Bunny? This is the fried rice. Say hello.
Hello. How you doing?
That is my big man, my Honey Bunny.
He's like
It's old already.
throw away.
Yeah.
I don't know anybody that has plugins. Your Android phone has a plug-in, but
It's already old. I mean, look.
I know. So,
We cannot bring it into the Philippines. So.
yeah, I don't know anybody would want them. You know what I mean?
No.
Because you have to have an old type phone.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm going outside.
Oi, it's cold outside.
No, it's not.
Yeah, where's something else?
That's it.
Yeah.
It's 24.
-3 degrees
24 out
Celsius.
there.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. 24 degree F. You know what that means?
Is it warm?
It's cold.
See?
It's cold.
Yeah, you must better. Ano.
I'm just gonna go in the work in the car.
Super cold.
You know?
Ang lake diri lapit sa amon lugar, guys. Frozen, as in, pwede ka nakadalagan-dalagan.
I'm gonna go work on that camera.
Okay.